So this is based off of a blog post we have, which you can see at statsguys.wordpress.com, and it's all written instructions here. So the first thing we're going to do is install R, and go to download R. The mirror is the closest location possible to where you are. That's going to be where you're downloading it. So we're going to choose Berkeley right here. Download R for Mac, and then choose the correct package. I have Mavericks, so I actually already downloaded it here, so I'm going to show in Finder, and I'm going to install it. Great. And then the next thing we're going to do is install Rstudio. So Rstudio is an IDE for R, which basically gives a more easy to use interface to use R. It's free to download, and we're just going to use it because it's really helpful. And you can download it here. And again, I've already done that, so I'm just going to go to my downloads and install it. Let's bring it. Okay, great. And so what you see here are three kind of windows: the console, the environment, and here you have a series of where you can do files, plots, packages, and help. We're going to create a fourth window. That's your R script, and this is where you're going to be writing expressions in R for the R system to run and interpret. So what you write in your R script, to run it, you type control and return at the same time, and then it runs in the R console on the bottom here. You can also run groups of expressions or multiple lines of expressions by simply highlighting it and then writing control and enter. The bottom right window tells you files you can upload, plots that you create, packages you can additionally install, and help allows you to basically search for what the available functions in R are and how they work. So your working directory is what we want to explain next, and the working directory is basically you can think of it as the folder which you upload and load files into R, and we're going to explain how to set your working directory. So we're going to use a folder I have in my desktop as an example. So let's say we want to set this folder Kaggle as my working directory, and that would allow us to upload any of these files into R. So what we need to do then is let's just open up another window, and we go to my desktop, and we see Kaggle. And so basically, to set your working directory, you need to know the file path, and this right here, users, Brian Liu, desktop folder to Kaggle folder, is your file path. And so what you want to do is you want to utilize the setwd function in R, and then you go users/Brian Liu. So this one will be unique to the name of your laptop, and then desktop, and then Kaggle. And then we'll do control and enter to set our working directory. So from here we can now upload any of these files into R. And so let's say if we want to upload this one, test.csv, we can utilize the read.csv function. We just have to name it, and then we'll just set that equal to data. Run that, and then if you want to look at the data, you can use this function. And then here you see that we have read the data into R.